Hello guys, this is Nokia 6.1 Ta-1043. So we're about to do the hard reset. This pattern is so trickish, so you just have to follow it. First, you need to plug in the charger. As you can see, plug in the charger first before you can do anything to reset this phone. Now just wait. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button to show your support for this channel. You see, now the next thing to do now is for us to press the volume up and the power key as it's charging now. Volume up, power key, just hold it together. Volume up, power key. So just watch. So when the thing show, remove hand from the power key. Good. So just hold on to the volume up. Hold on to it and just wait. You will see the recovery mode will just appear. So now it's showing no command. For you to activate no command, press the volume up and the power key. Just press it at the same time. Good. Now it has taken us to the recovery mode, as you can see in the video. Now just scroll down to white data, then factory reset. Now you see it's formatting. So let's just wait for it to format the data. This is just so easy, but at the same time it's so trickish. If you don't have your charger plugged in, you cannot achieve anything. Now the formatting is done completely. Now just for us to reboot now and see our results. Yes. So if you have not hit the subscribe button, please do well to hit on it. You can see the button right there on your screen. Just hit on it, and also hit on the notification bell too, so that you can get all our video when we upload them on this channel. You get notified when we upload them on this channel. Thank you to all our subscribers. Thank you for always being there with us. We really appreciate the love and care you guys have been showing to our channel. Continue to stick to us. I will continue to give you guys more on this channel. So there is a video where I did the FRP bypass for this particular phone. Please do well to hit on the link on the description and you see the video on how to do the FRP. Now let's set it up now. Connect your Wi-Fi. Alright, so skip. So now we are here to connect our Wi-Fi to see if we can start up this thing and see what I'm talking about. Now click on see all network. Good. Now you can see the Wi-Fi that's available. So then try to connect your Wi-Fi. Good. So just wait for it to load. It might take a little while. Let's see the end results. So if you are not hit the subscribe button, please do well to hit the subscribe button to show your love and support on our channel. Also please drop your comment in the comment section. Don't copy. Yes, leave a comment in the comment section and share this video to other technicians. Now you look at now, it's asking us to verify the password. And it was this reason, that's why we had to set this phone. But unfortunately, it's still asking us to verify the password. Even still asking us to verify the Google account. So that is another big challenge we are here facing on this particular phone. So click on the link, the video link on the screen. You will see how to do the FRP bypass.